Hey, what's up my beautiful people? This is Avi and I'm back again unboxing a couple of art supplies, really replacement supplies. I got a non-photo blue set of blue pencils I use for my comics and zines, as well as a white Tombow brush pen. I saw it on Instagram, one of my friends posted it and I wanted to try it. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, and share. Make sure to subscribe. You guys are awesome. Have an amazing day and I'll see you in the next video.